Welcome to this video, guys. I've got something very special today here, or at least I hope it will be special, or we will see if it will be special, because I think that's an ECU, looks like an ECU, but when I turn it around it says Toyota Racing Development TRD. So yeah, this is a JDM ECU for from my research and from the guy. I didn't buy this, I just borrowed it from somebody who imported this, because I really wanted to try it out, and he also wanted to have my impression on it, if I think that it has the effect that he thinks it has. So from the research I did and from the infos he gave me, this is a TRD ECU for a Toyota Celica with the 1cc. Somehow I couldn't find any info on a TRD 1cc Celica, or even a TRD MRS. The only info that I found was that there was a 2cc Celica TRD and a 1cc compressor. I don't know, we will see, but that's where the fun part comes in. I mean, this is, as you might expect, limited to 180 kilometers an hour, because it's a JDM ECU and Japanese cars are limited to 180 kilometers. But I don't know in which order I will upload these videos, but I teamed up with Car Performance Media, and we measured the 0 to 100 and 50 to 150 times, the acceleration times, and also the 100 to 200, but these are irrelevant for this ECU. And so we will really test if this ECU will have any difference on the acceleration times of the MRS, and yeah, really myth bust if that's really a TRD ECU, if maybe there was in Japan somehow some possibility to have the original ECU reprogrammed and TRD puts a sticker on it, or if just somebody thought he's funny and put a sticker on his standard ECU. We will find that out, and yeah, I would say let's put this thing in, and then I don't know if it will be this video or the next video. As I said, I haven't planned yet in which order these videos will be uploaded, but at least we will put this in. I will show you how to install or swap the ECU on an MR2 Spyder, or also MRS, and yeah, let's jump right into it. Alright, so the ECU is behind here, behind this plastic thing. So it's just, I've explained that in several videos, removing the door and then removing this plastic thing. It's a little bit harder with the soft top in, because you lose a little bit of height here with the soft top down, I mean, but you can wiggle it out, and yeah, then we should find the ECU behind there, and yeah, let's do it. Alright, so I ended up removing the door, as I said. Then I also removed this bottom trim, and to remove this, because that made it easier to slide it out like a little bit that way. But as you can see, it is out, and behind there you can see the ECU. So the most important thing is to disconnect the battery so you won't damage the ECU. Then just unplug the old one, plug in the new one, and reconnect your battery, and then hope this works. Alright, so as you can see, I left the old ECU in place and just plugged in the TRD, or hopefully TRD ECU. And another thing I did for the upcoming videos, I put my old hood back on, because I wanted to see if the wing has an effect on the 100 to 200 kilometers an hour times, because obviously a wing generates drag, so that's what we're going to test too. But yeah, you will come with me as we try to start up the car. All right, I heard something. Wait, that was cool. The tag did something. Okay, kilometers are still there. My CD ejected, but it still goes back in. But we will turn it off and see if the car will start. Hey! It works! Okay, perfect. Then I would say it's on to doing a test drive. Let's go! Alright, so for now everything seems pretty normal. The car starts normal, it drives normal. The only difference that I noticed was that normally when I started the car, when it was cold, the car had a lot higher revs, like a cold start procedure. That seemed to be missing with this ECU. I don't know if that's true or if that's just my imagination. I will let the car warm up a bit, and then I'm going on the country roads which take me home. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, funny. Where I can accelerate a bit, but I want to wait until the oil temperature is at 90 degrees, so I don't damage anything. All right, we arrived, and let's see. I don't know. Seems quite the same for me. I don't know. It even has the ref limiter at the same RPM, so I'm not sure if this thing does anything. Man, I'm bummed. I hoped for I don't know what I hoped for, but I hoped for something. Because for a little explanation, the guy I borrowed this ECU from, he said that from his research, or yeah, basically from his research, it says that this ECU is like made for an engine without, for a 1cc without the precats, and with an performance air filter insert. So like the K&N one that I have, and like a car without precats. And he even said something about different injectors, and maybe a different fuel pump. So the injectors could flow more, but I don't know. I'm pretty curious to see what the times say. I'm going to meet up with Car Performance Media in a few hours, and yeah, then we'll see if it has any effect. Maybe sometimes you can't feel the difference, but there is a difference. Sometimes it's the other way around. You think you can feel the difference, but in the end there isn't any. But yeah, we will see. And I also want to feel out how it is with the speed limiter at 180 kilometers an hour. I'm pretty curious to see how that works and or how that feels. And yeah, I will turn around right here and yeah, try again maybe, but I don't know. I mean, the only thing that could be different are like ignition timing and the fuel map. There isn't really anything else that could be different with this ECU, so I don't know. So let's turn around. And the other thing I thought about was even if the ECU didn't really change the power of the car, like the horsepower or anything, I thought it maybe could make the car like rev happier and everything, or like eliminate the rev hang a little bit, because standard the MRS has quite a little bit of rev hang, which I don't really like that much, but it didn't change that either. I even think it got worse or more rev hang. Yeah. All right, I would say that is the install and talk video for now. The next video, maybe I will put a little sneak peek clip in right here. The next video will be the real testing for the acceleration times, where we'll see if maybe the ECU does have an effect on the acceleration times. And yeah, I will say see you in this next video and have a great day. Bye.